easy go.
Hey guys, what is going on? Georgia Regen here. So I have an awesome video for you guys. I had many people asking me how to do this. It's basically how to connect NightBot to your live streams. I do it on YouTube, but some people might do it on Twitch. So all you simply have to do is go to nightbot.tv or just type in NightBot on the internet, then go to login. Now from there it's going to automatically log me into YouTube, but you have the option of Twitch and YouTube. Just select the platform you're on. I'm on YouTube. So from here, you're going to have your dashboard, and it's going to have your profile once you type in all your information. Now from the dashboard, go to commands, and I'm just going to have a basic run through on how to get simple stuff going. So from commands, go to custom, and it'll show all the commands that you already have. So for example, I have Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Stream, Twitter, and YouTube. Now that means during your live streams, if you press exclamation mark and then type in, for example, Facebook, when you type that in on your live stream and press enter, the message that NightBot is going to send is, here's Regen's personal Facebook page, and it'll send it right to you, which makes it a lot easier opposed to people having to send a link, so people know exactly what your Facebook is. Now to add a command, all you do is go to add a command, type in the title, or type in what you want for it. So say for example exclamation mark hello. No one would do that, but that's what you would put, and then say hi to you all, and that would be the message that would pop up. And then the cooldown time is basically how often people can use it and who's allowed to use it. You can have everyone, you can have moderators, just me, and it's pretty cool. I like it. Now the second thing I want to mention is spam protection. Now spam protection, I don't use that frequently, but it does help in some people's cases scenarios. I have all of them off, but you guys can turn them on depending on your case scenario. Now you have blacklist words, which mean any words that you don't want, you would type in this box, and then if they use it, how long they would get timed out for, and yeah, it's basically just telling you exactly what's going on with what words, and you get to set the amount of time and etc. Now if people type in too many caps, they would get banned if you have this one on, and same thing, it shows how long they would get banned for and whatever, you know what I mean. Then they have, if you use too many emotes, links, excessive symbols, and anything repetitious. I keep all of those off for now. But it's all your personal preference, guys. Now for timers, it's pretty cool. Basically allows you to set a timer for how long it is until your thing pops up. So for example here, every 32 minutes, Twitter, this is going to pop up in my stream. Follow Regen on Twitter, and then here's the link. And then every 25 minutes, remember, if you guys are new, subscribe to YT Regen. He posts daily quality content, and he loves all your support. Now you can add a message, name it whatever you want, doesn't matter, and then the message that would pop up is hello, for example. That would pop up in chat, and then intervals is how often it's going to pop up. I would recommend anything over 20 minutes, roughly over 15 to 20 minutes. Anything under that's a little too short, people get annoyed by it, so say 30 minutes. And then chat lines is pretty cool. So what it's saying is, say set it to 17. If you get less than 17 messages in your live chat within the 30 minutes that it's been posted, basically it will not pop up until it hits 17 lines. So it allows, like, I don't know, your chat to not just be filled with NightBot if you don't have a lot of viewers. I just keep it on 2 or something very low because I don't have a lot of viewers. The rest of it you can pretty well go through. I don't use song requests, I don't know much about it, but those are the main things you have to do. Once you link your account, you're instantly pretty well hooked up to the live stream, which is pretty awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if it did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And like always, guys, I'll see you in the next video, and this is Regen or George signing out. Peace.